In a world built from Lego bricks, every piece tells a story. This time, the story begins in Gotham, where danger freezes the streets and heroes rise one Lego brick at a time. Let's go! Piece by piece, the Lego Batmobile takes shape. From its armored frame to the roaring engine, every Lego brick locks into place with purpose, transforming simple pieces into a symbol of justice. But no Lego build is ever peaceful for long. From the shadows emerges Lego Mr. Freeze, armed with a Lego Cryo Blaster and a heart as cold as ice. As the Lego Batmobile powers up, Gotham's temperature drops. Bat signal shines again, calling Lego Batman into action. Armed with his legendary Lego Batmobile, he faces an icy threat that's colder than ever. A final Lego brick clicks into place, sleek, powerful, and unstoppable. The Lego Batmobile is ready for the streets of Gotham. And though Lego Mr. Freeze won't stop trying, one thing's for sure. You can't freeze creativity. Engines roar. Ice cracks. The Lego Batmobile charges forward, meeting Lego Mr. Freeze in a clash of heat and cold. Justice versus ice. Speed versus science. And somewhere in between, a builder connecting every Lego brick to make it real. Built, tested, legendary. This is Lego set 76301, Batman Batmobile vs. Mr. Freeze, built by Mithrin, the Junior Master Builder, where every Lego story begins with imagination and ends with a masterpiece. Like and subscribe for more builds that bring the impossible to life. one Lego brick at a time. Bye-bye!